Now talk about semantics or meanings of formulae. In prop P. Okay, to give what do we mean by meaning? We need to assign truth value to formula. Okay, and clearly to begin this assignment, okay, so this truth value is assigned inductively. So truth value is assigned inductively because formulas are defined inductively. So that's the only way we know. To start the process, we need the base case, which is the propositions. So the base case is when we want the meaning of propositions. Okay, so basic propositions or elements of P. Okay, so to start our semantics, we need this. Okay, so what do we mean by meaning of this basic proposition? We can talk about the truth of a proposition in a world. Okay, so the truth of a basic proposition depends on the world that we are in. Okay, so we will make this world precise. So for example, P in prop might mean the proposition it is sunny today. Okay, and clearly it depends on the world that we are currently in. Okay, so but what do we mean precisely by this world? A world V is just a function from P to the set true of false. So it gives for each basic proposition, it gives a truth value. That's a world. Okay, and having given this, given a world we can extend it to the entire prop as follows. We call this extended function v hat. Okay, v hat is from prop P to boolean. The set is the set of booleans. Okay, so how is it defined? V hat of a base case P, V of P for all P in the basic propositions, and then the obvious definitions. Okay, for example, V hat of C1 and C2 to V hat of C1, and this is the AND function on booleans. V hat of C2. So AND is the function from bool cross bool to bool. And how is it defined? AND of true 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 equal to true, and of true false equal to and of false true equal to and of false false equal to false. Okay, so this is how and is defined. Third, similarly for or v hat of negation of C is not of hat of C. Notice that there is a difference between this and this. Okay, this is the symbol in your language, and this is a Boolean function which is in the meta language. So this is in the language, object language, the language that we are studying, and is the function defined in the meta language. Okay, the meta language is the language of set theory that we are talking about. Okay, so having defined this, we use this notation. This is common. V to mean v hat of C equal to true. Okay, in this case we say that, so we can say that how is it said? C is valid in the world, valid or true, the world V, or V is a model for the formula.